Let's see if I remember how to do this whole thing. Video. Crash outside. Hi everybody, welcome to the channel. It's me, SB Mitch. Did you miss me? I didn't either. You can give me a follow on social media and all those other things, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more shenanigans like this. God, that's such a good word. Hi pals. Shenanigans. Let that sink in for a minute. Hey, welcome to Beater Box Friday. For those of you who don't know what it is, I open a Beater Box every Friday. That's how I get the name. This box is from Sole Supremacy, solesupremacy.com, at Sole Supremacy on Twitter. Just so you know, this is a closed membership thing, so you cannot buy these boxes, so you have to watch good YouTubers and then me open them. This box cost, $550 plus $50 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $600. Clearance. That's a counter. It's gonna be letting you know how much each shoe is worth. We're gonna be keeping track and you can see how much the box is worth versus how much I paid, because that's why these videos exist. So let's open up the box and see what's going on in here. $600, that's my favorite range. Like the meme? Okay. We're not gonna get anything crazy in here. We're not gonna get anything out of this world. But this is gonna be a good box because this is always a really good price range. First good sign, there are no loose pairs. There's a lot of Nike sportswear boxes, but there is a Jordan that looks like a grade school, so I'm gonna get that one out of the way first. Nope, it's a very small size. Whatever. It's an Air Jordan 1 Mid SE in a size US Men's 9. It's these things. And they are dead stock. This is a size 9. It's the court purple looking Air Jordan 1 Mid. I didn't know that the black and the purple on here were suede. And it's kind of like shaggy, nappy suede. This is a really nicely color blocked shoe. There's not much purple on it, which I'm a big fan of. But it's a dead stock pair and it's size 9, so you cannot complain. There you go. Boom, first shoe out. Hey, if you're interested in purchasing those and they're still available by Friday, hit up my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and you can find those for sale. That website is sbmitch.com. That whole compilation of sentences was very, very bad. Nike sportswear box. We have a size 13 Nike Zoom Hyperflight Premium. And it says Blake Griffin Hyperflight on here, so that might be what it is. It's exactly what it is. These look to be worn, but very, very lightly. The Blake Griffin Hyperflight, these are from like 2000, I want to say like 14 or 13 or something like that. Yeah, it looks like 2013. These are just a weird, weird, weird shoe, but it's in great shape. It's a size US Men's 13. And if you like Blake Griffin or you like this model, then hey, these will be for sale for you to buy. They do not need much cleaning. Like you can see the bottoms are pretty spotless. The insole has Nike Air on the inside. I don't know if it's gonna pick it up at this point, but there you go. Size 13 with the original box. Cool, and the box is in good shape, so we cannot complain about that. More Nike sportswear. We have a size 13 Air Foam Posit 1 Premium. It says Fighter Jet Foams on the box, so nice. That's exactly what these are. Are these DS though? I'm assuming these are worn, but these are worn a little bit. There's a stone in there. These are the Fighter Jet Foams. These are in excellent, excellent condition. The outsole has a little bit of discoloration from age, but otherwise, aside from like this one little stone that's right there, these things are pristine. It's got dog tags too. Wow. No insole wear. These are in pristine shape. Like, I am not even joking about that. Foams have high retail, so the resale value might not be that great on these, but these are a little bit older, so if you've seen other Sole Supremacy Beater Box videos, you'll know that Sole Supremacy places lower value on older shoes because of their wearability window. And this is just a cool shoe. So size US Men's 13, which is an excellent size for foams if you ask me. Fighter Jet Foams, nice. Cool. This is a good box so far. I like the variety in here. Size US Men's 13 Nike Zoom Hyperflight Premium. These are all from the same seller, obviously, because they wrote on here, but it says KD Hyperflights. These are probably the Kevin Durant Hyperflights. Yes, that is true. These are lightly worn as well, but yeah, Kevin Durant, Hyperflights, they have that lightning thing going on, and the bright Volt-looking swoosh on the forefoot. These, again, in great shape. You can see the outsole is very lightly worn. There's not much like drag or anything. These are super lightly worn. Just a weird shoe from a weird, good time in Nike basketball, if you ask me. So there you go. KD Hyperflights from 2013 to 2014, I think. I think these are 2013 as well, because they released with everything else. Yeah, 2013. Cool. A blast from the past there. 3 more in here. Air Foamposite 1 Premium in a size US men's 13. Another shoe that I can't tell if it's worn or not, but this is the Safari Foams. These are a really cool colorway. I've just always been a fan of any kind of like safari print on a shoe, and I don't know why. Look how clean these outsoles are. A little bit of discoloration. Doesn't look like there's much wear at all. But yeah, they are worn, but I mean, look at that. Like these are, I hate to sound like a broken record and overuse a word, but pristine, just like the other ones. So they won't need much of a cleanup. Another foam in a size 13. There's not many great shoes to get in a size 13, but Foamposites are definitely one of them. There you go. Size 13, Foamposite Safaris, and the box is in really good shape too. 2 more in here. They're both Jordans. There is a face box, which we are definitely going to save for last. Size 14. Whoa! Size 14 Jordan 4 Retro, and it's a picture of breads. If these are the breads from, if these are old breads, dude, you have got to be kidding me. This is awesome. So these are worn very lightly. They're just old. Y'all, these are 1999 bread 4s in a size 14. Wow. And these are in good shape. I mean, again, a shoe that is, what, 14 years old? There is a little bit of cracking right there, which is gonna happen with older shoes like this, and that's why this shoe is probably in a lower priced box, because it doesn't really have that great of a wearability window. The fact that there's no, that they're still intact is very good. So you'll need to know how to fix these or do a sole swap, but still, a size 14 from 1999, bread 4. This is why I love getting these boxes. I love getting old shoes like this. This is very cool. There you go. Cool, with the original box and retro card. Interesting. Cool. This last one here is a face box. Size 13, Air Jordan 9 Retro Low. Interesting. These are worn. They're missing laces, it seems. Yeah, that's what it is. I want to say these are either pure platinum or chrome 9 lows. Something we haven't seen in a long time. An early 2000s release, so there is a lot of yellowing. You can see the liner and the foam is yellowing too. Outsole is in really great shape. They're just missing laces. I would assume the laces like broke or something like that. But yeah, classic shoe. A little bit older, so you got to be a little bit more gentle with it. But these are in really great shape for being so old. Plus, there's a retro card in here too. The box is in okay shape, and it's a size 13. Very cool. Wow, this is a cool box if you ask me. There's the last shoe, size 13. Jordan 9 Low, and that is a $550 Sole Supremacy beater box. Some classics in here. Value might be a little bit meh, but these are fun shoes. Let's see what the numbers say right now. Another reason why I love this price range is because you get classic shoes like this that you don't see every day. Yeah, those bread 4s probably don't have, you probably can't wear them unless you swap them out, but still, that's classic right there. Hey, if you want to buy any of these shoes, they should be available on my website today at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That website is sbmitch.com. Before that happens, any of the worn pairs will be cleaned and disinfected with the Reshoevn8r family of products. And if you're interested in saving some money on Reshoevn8r stuff, use my code SBMitch10 at checkout and it'll save you 10% off your entire order, which is cool because saving money is always a good thing, especially this time of year. Hey, thanks for watching. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day to watch this video because you could be using that time for so many other better things, like playing Metroid Dread. But I thank you, seriously. We will see you soon for another kind of sneaker-related video, probably a box recap on Monday. So till then, take care of each other. Remember to keep sneakers fun because they're supposed to be fun. Bye.